Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Areej Mushtaq and I'm from Pakistan. I want to share my experience regarding MRCP syndrome courses which they offer. It was my third attempt of MRCP and last attempts were just so close, but I didn't use any of the MRCP syndrome sources. In those two attempts, they were just solely based on past medicine and past papers from past tests. And for the third time, I just bought the MADBOX series as well as the RCP sample paper discussion and the rapid revision notes. They were very helpful, especially MADBOX. It's really helpful, especially in the last month as guided by Dr. Ahad. I can say it's the prime source in the last month and a key to pass MRCP part 1, and it was really helpful for me, and I think this was the source that actually helped me to pass my attempt this time. So I'm very thankful to Dr. Ahad, and I will recommend the courses provided by Dr. Ahad, especially the MADBOX and the RCP sample discussion. They are very important and they are very helpful. They help you attempt the questions, and the most important thing is they are important to keep the things in your memory. That is what I felt.